As a part of our efforts to remain a sustainable company, Alexandra Farms has implemented the collection and purification of water in our reservoirs to minimize runoff and maximize our natural resources for continued life cycles. Our reservoirs surround the perimeter of the farm, collecting and storing rainwater through an underground water collection system. Because it tends to rain year-round in Colombia, the reservoirs tend to stay at an optimal level for constant use. Stored water is pumped into a large valve system in which it is filtered and fertilized. From there, through intricate tubing and pumping systems, the water is delivered along with fertilizer to the waterbeds in the greenhouses. Each day, the production and maintenance team collects data on water waste and irrigation needs for each greenhouse. They also study soil humidity and water pH levels to determine what is needed to maintain the quality growth of our garden roses. Through each flower bed row, there is a tubing system that drips the necessary amount of water and products needed for every plant. Water that isn't absorbed by the soil then falls onto a tilted channel and is carried to a separate storage tank. The water that's collected there is then filtered through a separate system to remove any remaining fertilizer and impurities, and it is reutilized for different functions around the farm: post-harvest irrigation, washroom water, cleaning and maintenance, and more. Through these efforts, we are able to reuse about 60% of the water collected and consumed at the farm throughout the year. We're always working to improve these numbers and ensure the most optimal use, storage, and treatment of water while taking into account all natural variables: heat waves, drought, heavy rainfall, and water pH levels.